So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. That in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm on your Windows laptops or devices. Now, in order to do it, just simply search for the clock application. Now, inside the clock, once you open the clock here, you'll see it will open something like this. Now, this is the basic interface of clock. Under this left window, you simply need to go to this option of alarm. Click on alarm, and here you see you can set alarm. Just simply hit on this option of add an alarm, and from here you need to select the timer of which you want to set the alarm for. Let's say if I set the alarm for uh, 7:30, and you want to repeat or whatever the things that you do on your Android devices, you'll find all the options right here only, and you can change the alarm tone as well. Once you do it, just simply hit on this option of save, and the alarm will ring at 7:30.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.